Hi, I have received a number of emails from students asking about research project milestone 1, which is setting the stage. And so I decided to record this so I can explain about it and the requirements of this assignment. So you can see this is research project milestone 1, and so we have milestone 2 and milestone 3. So the first milestone, as it says, it's just setting the stage. And so what is required? In this milestone, the first thing that is required is to identify and develop research topic. Normally, it takes time to come up with the research topic which is appropriate and desired. So all I want you to do is to think about research topic. What do you want to do? In which area? Looking at your own interest, what do you want to do if you are supposed to do research? It is all about your own decision, what you really want to do, or something you want to research on. And so the first thing to do is for you to think and come up with that research topic and say, I want to do research in this area. Something that you are genuinely curious about. That's the most important thing. Now, here there is a note which says, choose a topic for which you can find a manageable amount of secondary data. That is really important. We may have interest on many things, but we cannot do analysis of a particular area or phenomena if we don't have data. Now, for this class, we don't have time to collect data, and therefore, it is better to come up with something that can give you a manageable amount of secondary data. So we will need secondary data on other topics which we are going to find. And in fact, for milestone 2, you will do visualizations based on the secondary data that you have. So make sure that any topic of your choice, you can get access to the data which is already collected. Where can I get data? We may get data from any source if we have access to, but the most important areas that you can actually find a topic which is similar to what you have, I believe you can get it from the Kaggle data set and also from Makeover Monday, makeovermonday.co.uk. So if you go to Makeover Monday, for instance, let me try to go there. So here you can see that we have data since 2016 to 2020. I believe 24 it should be there. Yeah, to 2025. And so let me open 2023, for instance, and 2023. And for me, I'm interested with environment, anything environment, and therefore you can look at some articles. Here you can see different types of articles, and all I'm going to do is to try to find if there is anything that is related to what I need, or the environment. If I don't find it, then I'll go to another year to see if there is anything that is related to the environment. So here we have energy use per person. I'm interested with environment, so I can go to the energy, or I can look at the climate action tracker if I can get data which relates to what I need, or I can look for anything that will be of interest to me. And in this case, all you have to do is go to the link, and you will find data. Probably some topics may not have enough data, so if you don't get enough data, then go to the next one. And remember, you have makeovermonday.co.uk. you have all these topics with data from 2016 and 2025. So that gives you, definitely it gives you the opportunity to find the topic which is related to what you're interested in and also the data. If that is not the case, you can go to, let's go here. You can go to Kaggle. They have a lot of data set, and so find something that is related to the topic of your choice and make sure that there is data, and that should be the secondary data. Search for that. Now, once you have it and you have already developed your research topic, so the second thing to do is to refine your topic to show research problem or rationale. So you have a topic, you look for the data. Now you may be interested on something based on that particular topic. And so show the rationale for you to deal with that particular topic. What do you really want to study from it? When you when you analyze data, what do you really want to find from it? For instance, here we have this kind of a question. What are the causes of obesity in America? So you may have data about obesity, and either you can look at the causes of it or the outcome of it or anything. So you should show the rationale of your study. What do you really want to do out of the topic of your interest? When you have rationale, which is actually the main goal of your research, so you're going to use the data to respond to that goal. For instance, in this case, you will use your data to find the main causes of obesity after you have analyzed data, and so use some visualizations and also some analysis. But now we cannot do any visualizations, or we cannot do data analysis because we haven't studied them. So we're going to study how to visualize data and how to analyze data, and then we'll come back, and that will be for the second milestone and the third milestone. So at this time, just come up with the research topic, make sure that you have enough data, and also show the rationale. What do you really want to find from that from the phenomena you have selected? So collect data. In most cases, when you have data, sometimes you will need to do a number of things. First of all, you will need to organize your data, also to clean your data. So do data cleaning and organizing your data, and get ready for milestone 2, which will be data visualizations, and also milestone 3, which will be data analysis. That's all you have to do with this assignment. Only come up with a research topic, and also make sure that you can get a good amount of data that you can use for analysis. And as I said, once you have come up with that research topic, then Kaggle dataset and also makeovermonday.co.uk or any other sources of data if you can get access to. And then show the rationale. Why do you want to do your research? Provide just a paragraph to explain this. If you can support your the rationale with literature, a little bit of the literature, that will be fine. Make sure that you have data. In this case, you don't have to submit data, just show the link. I can go to that link and find if your data is relevant or not. And then once you have relevant data, start cleaning and organizing your data. Wait for milestone 2, which will be data visualizations, and milestone 3, which will be data analysis. I hope that information is now clear. If not, please, you can text me at 603-203-3017. My cell phone is actually posted in my instructor section. I'm not looking at the pages. All I'm looking for is the content. Thank you.